Namaste everyone. Welcome to another episode of Shruchi Kitchen. In this episode, you will see how to prepare one pot pressure cooked veg pulav served with mushroom curry made in just 30 minutes or less. This could be your perfect busy day weekday meal. Let's look at the ingredients. First, let's look at the ingredients to prepare veg pulav. You need 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger and garlic, half cup of chopped green onions, half cup of chopped mint, 4 green chilies cut lengthwise. Whole dry spices include 2 bay leaf, 2 small sticks of cinnamon, 1 kapok bud or best described as Marathi mogu, few pieces of mace, 5 cloves, 3 cardamom pods, 1 small piece of blackstone flower, 2 cups of mixed vegetables. I have taken potatoes, green peas and carrots. Soak 2 cups of basmati rice in water for 10 minutes. 1 teaspoon of sambar powder, 4 tablespoons of oil and salt per taste. Let's get started. Heat 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in a pressure pan. When oil is smoky hot, add whole dry spices. Wait until 20 to 30 seconds until it starts to splutter. Then add green chilies and green onions. You can add regular onions in place of green onions. I just added green onions to keep it different. Next, add crushed ginger and garlic and saute these until they turn brown. Continue to saute these ingredients for a minute until it gets aromatic. Next, add mint. Also, add vegetables. To save time, you can as well as use pre-cut frozen vegetables. Continue to saute for a couple more minutes so that the raw smell goes away. Next, add sambar powder, and this is a secret ingredient for this recipe. Sambar powder is loaded with lot of flavors, and preferably use a homemade powder because it gives better taste. As an optional ingredient, if you want, you can also add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. As you continue to saute vegetables, add water. For 2 cups of basmati rice, I am adding 3 cups of water. Also add salt per taste and mix well. Let this simmer for at least a minute or 2 until it starts to boil. As water continues to simmer, add juice of half a lemon. Adding lemon juice helps to separate rice grains. I did not show lemon in the beginning. Just juice of half a lemon should be sufficient. You can see that the water has begun to boil. Now add rice. Make sure that basmati rice is soaked well in water for at least 15 minutes. You can also use other kind of rice such as Sona Masuri rice. After adding rice, give it a final mix. Make sure that you stir well. And also check salt as per your taste. To prepare pressure cooked veg pulav, preferably use a pressure pan. Now all the ingredients have been mixed well. Now cover the lid and let it whistle for at least 2 counts. Veg pulav is cooked and cooker has also cooled down. Let's take a look and see how veg pulav looks. It looks absolutely stunning, and as you can see, rice morsel looks evenly cooked. It is long, grainy because we added lemon juice. The rice grains have separated from each other. Let this veg pulav cool for at least 2 minutes. before it is served. Let's prepare an accompaniment for veg pulav. To prepare mushroom curry, you need oil, half teaspoon of curry powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 2 cups of diced mushrooms, half an onion finely chopped, half cup of spring onions, 1 cup of diced mushrooms and salt per taste. I am using an wok to prepare mushroom curry. Heat oil on a hot wok. Then add garlic. Saute garlic until it gets aromatic and lightly brown. Next add both the onions, regular and green onions, and saute until it gets wilted. Onions are wilted. Now add the dry spice powders. Saute for at least few seconds, 15 to 30 seconds, so that the flavors are infused. Once the masala is fried, add diced tomatoes. I am using canned tomatoes. You can also use regular tomatoes. At this stage, add salt. Continue to saute. Canned tomatoes are much pulpier compared to the regular tomatoes, and it is peeled. Use a wooden ladle to crush tomatoes. Make sure that they are thoroughly crushed. Cook this masala for at least 5 to 8 minutes before adding mushrooms. Continue to saute so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. Make sure that this masala is thick. Do not add any water. Now add the mushrooms and continue to saute well. Mushroom has lot of water content, so don't add any water. Mix these ingredients well until they are well combined and masala is evenly coated around the mushroom. Continue to cook for another 5 to 8 minutes so that the flavors are completely absorbed in mushrooms. This curry can be prepared in just 15 to 20 minutes depending upon the quantity you make. And it's a perfect accompaniment, especially for a weekday meal. This curry is a wonderful accompaniment even when served with Indian breads such as rotis, naan or chapatis. Mushroom curry is nearly done. Cook for another couple more minutes before it is served. Mushroom curry has been cooking for at least 8 minutes now. It is completely cooked and the gravy has thickened. It is ready to be served. Veg pulav and mushroom curry combo could be your busy weekday meal, your lunchbox recipe, or even easy meal to serve in small gatherings. I hope you like this episode on Shruchi Kitchen. Please subscribe to my cooking channel for more videos by clicking on subscribe button. Also, like this video, share this video and do leave a feedback in comment section. Stay tuned to Shruchi Kitchen for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.